Hi, welcome to excelmacroclasses.com. In this video, we will talk about chatbot. So, I hope you know what is chatbot, and if no, then let's go and Google it for a few things quickly. So, here we have okay, okay. So, the chatbot is a software application used to conduct an online chat conversation via text or text to speech in lieu of providing direct contact with a live human agent. So basically, a chatbot is something, a application where you want to where you interact with the application and get solve your queries. So instead of you call someone or you have so many queries or question, you go and ask somebody. So all the queries are stored in a database, and whatever you type it, whatever you speak in front of chatbot, based on those keywords, it uh, search for the questions and it give you the result based on some combination and the permutation. So same those things are getting developed using artificial intelligence, and those are quite expensive, and nowadays it is on boom. So I try to create the same chatbot, but definitely it will be very lower platform. This chatbot may help you in your organization for many things. So you normally, if you want to apply chatbot in your organization, you have to pay a big amount, and to maintain those database also you may need to hire someone. But this simple chatbot, we can use this chatbot for small department, explain all the features, how this tool is working, and now you decide whether it is useful for it, whether it is useful in your department, or can you use in your organization or in your business, and you can send me your feedback. Before jump on this chatbot, let's see what are the features I have developed and where we can use this chatbot. So the first thing is we can use this chatbot for fakes. So that is frequently asked questions. So if in your organization or in your process or in your department, if you have some questions and you need to answer those questions again and again to different people, you can feed that question in your chatbot, and you can provide a solution for that and keep it in the database. If anyone want to know what if anyone wants to know the answer related to that question, they can simply type some keywords and they will get this solution. So in this chatbot, we are keeping easy database. So everything is in Excel, and this particular chatbot is easy to use. You can easily replace your question and answer. There are few things I try to implement is read answer in voice. So those are feature we will see. We can use spell check in this, and we can also use image to showcase in case we need to have any reference related to any question. So let's go to the Excel and see how this tool is working. So where is my version? Okay, here. Okay, so this is my Excel file of chatbot. We can customize this chatbot in different manner, but just to showcase, this is a simple. I try to keep simple. So we have these sheets available, and this is main sheet from where we can execute our chatbot like this. So okay, and second is from here we can click and open the chatbot. Second is my data, where we can keep all the questions and their answers, and if we have any image related to that, we can keep those images. We'll talk more about on this. First, we will go and have a demo. And if you want to put any category, so yeah. But the important thing is these three sections here. Other are optional. Okay. And the third sheet is chat. So it will create a kind of log, whatever is having as a discussion. Okay. And the last one is temp sheet, where I am using my combination, permutation, and logic as a working sheet. Okay. So let's go and try to use. These are the few questions I have put it in my Excel, and based on this thing, my answer, I will get my answer. So let's go and try this chatbot. So this is my first look, and here we have few options where you can type. We can type here, and you will get all the chat description here. So we have spelling check option. We have read answer. So whatever answer we will receive, we can hear it. And here we have answer quality. So based on what percentage, so whatever keyword we type, it will check those keyword, and based on calculation. So by default, we have kept that at least a minimum it requires 30% of matching, and on an average 40% if it is matched. So what it is, how it is doing, it is calculating and trying to match all possible combination and permutation, and whichever is the best or maximum matching quality, matching percentage, it gives the answer from that question. So we have reset, we have sent. Okay, so let's start and check how this thing is working. So here I am typing hi, and you just need to type two. You need to just click twice your enter, first and second, two times. So here it is saying I am saying hi. So it is saying here, if you notice, it is saying hello, how can I help you? Okay, so let's say how are you? Okay, I'm good. I'm still learning new things to support you. Okay, so whatever I am writing here, you can see all these things must be available here. Okay, hi, hello. So how can I help you? How are you? Now I have typed exactly the same things. No, here question mark is missing, but still it is working. So let's type some more thing related, any any other question. So now I want to type something about resize column. Simply I will not say how can you resize the column. I will say resize column. Even not complete, it is incomplete only, but okay. So here my answer is, so answer can be anything. So right now my answer is this. So same answer is coming here. Okay. So let's try to have something else also. Okay, we'll talk about how can you disable automatic sorting in pivot table. So I'll say disable sorting. Disable sorting, sorting. Okay, enter. So for disable sorting, we have these answer available and it is going there. So let's talk about freeze span. Simply I will type freeze. So let's check if it is matching. Yeah, it is matching. Okay, let's have few more things. So in this chatbot, we try to put some information to capture from systems. So like, what is my username? So I'll simply type username. Okay, so it is giving me my username. So here, how this tool is working. So app data. So I have used these keywords. So whenever my system find any keyword where it is started with this kind of bracket, it understand that these keyword means my system needs to identify these keywords value from system, from inside. So whenever we type anything, it search for the answer and check if there is some bracket, this kind of, it go more inside it and search for these the exact value from this computer. So let's type computer name. So it is giving me my computer name here. Okay, so if I say, okay, system info, simply I say system info. So it is saying, okay, in system info, here I have put some image over here. So this, how this image is coming, I also, let me explain all these things. So here if you see, my image column is this one. Okay, but there is nothing written here. So how this thing is working, so I have a folder called images, and based on these IDs I have images. So if you see any name of these images like 108, 73, 70 and all these things, whenever any question get captured, and suppose my system is capturing 67, where is 67, this one, what are slices, then it will immediately, it will pick that image from my question bank, and it will pick this ID and check for the image related to that ID. Okay, so let's try whether slicers, question related with slicers, then we will come back on this. So I'll say simply slicers. Okay, so here it is coming as a slicer. So what are slicer, and whatever information is mentioned here, it will come exactly as it is. And also you can notice a pivot table slicer is coming because I have here my slicer. Okay, let me make it a little bigger, medium, extra large. Okay, so this image is coming because this is 67.jpg, and currently I have developed this tool to support only jpg file type. There is no other option, no other file type is supporting in images. Okay, so we can use images as well to explain. Suppose in case if you don't want this panel, you can simply click on this image pan, it can close this pan. And if you want to delete all these things, okay, so whatever discussion is, whatever chat is happening here, it is creating a chat here, if you notice. So how this tool is working, something like this. Okay, and if you reset it, it will definitely gone, and it is not getting saved anywhere as of now. It is depend on each organization department whether do you want to save this chat. So at this moment we are not saving anywhere these chat, and this is temp based on calculations and different combination permutation. Okay, so it is calculating the final percentage, and based on this percentage, if you notice here 67, this is basically a matching percentage, that whatever keyword we have typed, so the matching percentage of those keyword with the available question is this much. You can increase if right now if your matching percentage is 40 or more than 40, then only it will give you a result. Otherwise it will say, okay, I'm sorry, I'm learning, or something it will give you. So let's go and try a few more things here. What else we can do? Okay, let me try with win directory. Okay, so my win directory is C Windows. Okay, let's go and see what we can use. Okay, now we have few maps. I what are these IDs? 108, 109, 111. So let me try with map. So I'm simply typing map. Okay, now you can see when I type map, why India map is coming. This is because maybe in my database the first question related with map is India. Hmm, I don't know. Okay, yeah. So here I have three keywords related to map, I believe. India, world, and US map. So there are three maps are here, and when I see my calculation temp, so the first keyword is matching with map, so that's why it is giving India. If I say India map, US map, US map, my US map calculation will go on the top, and it will bring the image from my folder. Okay, now suppose if I make some mistake while typing. Okay, so instead of India, I say IN map, still it will pick it or not. Still the matching percentage is higher, that's why it is picking India map. Okay, so if I type you world map, so if I type world map, yep, so world map is exactly matching, one is 100% it is matching. But by mistake, if I type word map, so still it is identifying my matching percentage is 82% with my keyword. So still it is showing me the right images. Okay, so let's talk about spelling check and read answer. Okay, so let's click on this, and uh, let me check if my headphone is first. Let me check if the sound is coming or not. So let me say username. Okay, user profile. Okay, now let's check, let's use a spelling check and remove this thing. So what are macros? I want to say what macro, what MCRO. So now I am getting my another window on another screen. So just change this thing and close. So it is saying, okay, so what are macros is Excel allowed to automate and all this thing. Okay, so this is the way it is working. Let me know your feedback, your opinion related to this chatbot. If you think we can improve this chatbot a little more with some more feature, please WhatsApp me. We will try to improve based on requirement, and if we feel those features can be developed, we will try to develop it. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.